Lovely recipe for a cold day, a French classic cassoulet. So for my version, here's what you'll need: some breast fillets or chopped fillets, because we're going to chop them anyway, some smoked sausage, chicken stock, garlic, tomato puree, an onion. I'm putting a pepper in mine, although it's not called for in the traditional recipe, some dried thyme, paprika, and some white beans. I've got some butter beans and chickpeas, as you can see, and I'm going with a nice Shiraz. Normally you'd do it with white wine, but I prefer red. First thing we're going to do is get your chicken chopped up into nice bite-sized chunks, then go in with some flour, and to give it a nice red appearance and flavour, paprika, and give that a good mix round so that all the chicken is coated. With your chicken thoroughly coated, put some oil into a large pan and then in with your chicken, and we're going to give that around 5 or 6 minutes just to cook the chicken through and seal the outer sides. With your chicken cooking away, it's time to prepare your onion, and in my case a pepper. When your chicken's had a good few minutes either side, it's time to take that out of the bowl, and then we're going in with the onion and pepper. So add a drop more oil if your pan needs it, and then with those things, and we're going to give them 5 minutes just to soften down. When they've had a few minutes and got all them flavours off the bottom of the pan, it's time to go in with your garlic and smoked sausage. And just give them a minute to warm through. If you're using raw sausage, obviously cook them for a few more minutes. Next, give them a good seasoning with black pepper and salt. And then a teaspoon of thyme, a good glug of your red or white wine, a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree, and get them well mixed together. And then leave them for 2 or 3 minutes just to warm through. When they've had a few minutes, time to go in with your beans, chicken stock, and then back in with your chicken. Get them all mixed in, and then cover them up and give them another 5 minutes to heat through. When they've been heating through for a few minutes, I'm going to transfer them to an oven dish. Then this is going in the oven for around 20 minutes at 370 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. 20, 22, 23 minutes. Get all them flavours to know each other, and then it'll be ready to eat. When it's had 20 minutes or so in the oven, hopefully it comes out looking something like that. And to finish it off, I'm just going to give it a sprinkle with some fresh parsley, and then it's a case of choosing what you want to accompany it with. I think I'll go with a bit of couscous. It could just as easily go with some rice. Anything that's going to soak up those juices, really. And once you've served it up, get stuck in.